I know who I got. So I'm back from Anime India Delhi day 1. I'm actually really tired, so I could not stay until the end today because tomorrow day 2 I have to stay there the whole day. That's why today we rest so that we can endure tomorrow. But anyway, since I am back early, I thought why not shoot a shopping haul from day 1. I mean, I am not sure I'll shop tomorrow. I have 2 blind boxes, one from Naruto, one from One Piece. This is the latest Pop Mart blind box that Naruto came out with, and it has the childhood versions of all the characters. Honestly, they're all cute, so I don't know if I'll be sad if I don't get a particular one. Let's hope for the best. I'm really not sure which one I want, but I think I'll be happy if I get either Kakashi or Minato. Even like Naruto and Sasuke are fine. Okay, who's this? I know who I got. We know who it is. It's Itachi. I got baby Itachi. God, इससे अच्छा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. Look at him, all cute now that he's assembled. He's cooking breakfast for little Sasuke. Best brother ever. Alright, it's time for the One Piece blind box now. A lot, again, that can be expected, but let's hope for Zoro or Chopper or Sanji. Yeah, let's see. Who is it? I feel spiky hair. It's Luffy. I know. Not bad actually, I'm fine with it. I mean, Luffy, Zoro, Sanji, Chopper. इन चारों में से मुझे कोई चाहिए था, so I'm happy. Although Sabo would have also been nice, but it's okay. We have Luffy. Blind boxes are done. The next thing is Armin. If you remember in my last Anime India haul, I bought Mikasa, Eren and Levi, and I really regretted not buying Armin, like, because time skip Armin is kind of hard. After this I have Dante and Virgil. These are keychains and I was so happy to find both of them together. So yeah, they're looking so dashing. I bought these both at the Artist Alley and they are from 6 AM Premium Press-On. And just like the name suggests, I got a set of press-on nails and it's really cute. It's very pretty and pink and girly, so I really liked it. Another one from the Artist Alley. This is from Candy Yellow and it's a very cute kitten charm. It's solid but it's furry. So cute. It's extremely cute. Speaking of charms, I got another one. It's Zany, my snowman. It's my snowman. I also got a poster of Silas, Caleb and Zane. The last thing that I got today is this. You know who it is. It's my baby. It's my husband. I saw this and I bought it. I bought my husband. And with his gorgeous blue eyes, infinity written here, Gojo Satoru. This was all that I bought today and I will see you in the next haul, whenever that is.